Brand new Lexus, OEM condenser, factory oil, factory little plastic condenser clip, new O-rings, and this is how all condensers should come. Aftermarkets, take note on this. Level up or get out of the business, because the aftermarkets are the ones who cause the problems in our industry. On these Toyotas, do not try to reuse this clip. Many failures, and the aftermarket clips, some of them fail and are really bad. They're hard to get in. The technicians don't know, many of them, what these should feel like when they're putting this new clip inside of here. They don't know. You just compress it, bring it out, or break it if it's hard for you to get off. It doesn't matter, because you're never reusing that plastic clip. All aftermarket should come with one, come with an OEM one, not an aftermarket one, and they all should come with the proper and the correct amount of oil for every installation. If they don't buy them. Real simple. See you guys later.